Trump administration walks back tariff exemption on electronics. Interesting. President Donald Trump and White House officials walked back a Friday announcement that there would be tariff exemptions on imported electronics. In a Truth Social post on Sunday, Trump directly denied the tariff exemption announcement. Nobody is getting off the hook for unfair trade balances and non monetary barriers that other countries have used against us, especially not China, which by far treats us the worst. There was no tariff exception announced on Friday. He said, adding that Americans can look forward to more and better paying jobs, making products in our nation and treating other countries, in particular China, the same way they have treated us as a result of his agenda. Trump also said that the national security tariff investigations will be reviewing the whole electronics supply chain. Correspondingly, U.S. Trade Representative Jamieson Greer indicated that semiconductor tariffs were not really an exception. News in an interview on CBS News, Face the Nation. We certainly need to have semiconductors and the downstream electronic supply chain move to the United States. What happened is not really an exception. That's not even the right word for it, Greer said. So it's not that they won't be subject to tariffs geared at reshoring. They'll just be under a different regime. It's shifting from one bucket of tariffs to a different bucket of potential tariffs. On the other hand, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said Trump's tariff exemption on imported electronics is only temporary. The markets are responding. Everything is up so far. Update on the Roth portfolio. Everything is going absolutely well. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, make sure to send them over to the channel. Economics calendar for the week, Monday, April 14th. This is a short week. President, Fed, Speaker, Harker speaks, Bostic speaks. Tuesday, index, import price index minus fuel, Empire State Manufacturing Survey. Wednesday, U.S. retail sales, industrial production, home builder confidence, some more Fed speak. Thursday, initial jobless claims, housing starts, building permits, and Philadelphia Fed manufacturing survey, as well as this Friday, the markets will be closed. We'll get into that. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's your man, Boss Game VIP, the weekly money watch. Monday before April monthly expiration, the Dow has been up 21 of the last 36 trading sessions, but down 12 of the last 20. Bullish. Income tax deadline. Did you get your taxes in? If not, got to get you an extension. Income tax deadline, Tuesday, the 15th. All the taxes paid off. Let's see if they got some money to spend. April exhibits strength after tax deadline in recent years. Overall, the second half of April going into May is one of the most bullish times of the year. April monthly expiration day, Dow has been up 19 of the last 28 trading sessions. NASDAQ up 21 of the last 24 days before Good Friday. Friday the 18th. Market is closed. Let's get into setups for the week. Going to keep this very, very simple this week. Apple We know Apple is one of the major players affected by tariffs, reversed up off some key levels. Pretty simple here. We're looking for actually entries on a 1 minute above 198.19. We'll see how things gap up. If you get a pullback, look for a pullback to 198.19. Not saying it will pull back, but if you get that opportunity, definitely look for that. So this is a 2 a 1 minute. Let me activate this. 2 a 1 minute above 198.19. Let's go to China. Baba, pretty easy. Entries on the is it a 1 minute here? What is this? What I had? What is this entry? It's not on a 1 minute, so that's not right. I believe it was on the day. I believe it was on the day. Let's go to the day chart. No, it's not on the day. We'll get this sooner or later. We'll get this sooner or later. Oh, it's on the 1 minute. Just had to slide the screen over. Okay. 1 minute above 107.89. 107.89. So pretty easy there. If this goes, we got a ton of room. Looking about 174. So pretty cool there. Last one, China. Some Nike. Nike definitely affected by the tariffs. So we got a 1 minute on Nike, reversal back up above 50 of $4.46. And if we get that move this week, we could be, let me put this on the day chart. We could be looking anywhere, maybe a $59 first target, and then probably around 63 and a quarter as the second target. As always, I'm looking forward to having an absolutely a wonderful week, and I hope you are as well. If you have any questions, make sure to put those down in the comment section below. If you have any wins, I'd definitely like to hear about those. With that being said, let's look forward to having an absolutely amazing week. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the Weekly Money Watch. I'm out. Peace.